Hello everyone, welcome back again my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope my lovely YouTube family will be fine. You will see the stylish and most beautiful, unique and amazing all cross stitch hand embroidery designs I tested on my channel. Please guys subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and press the bell icon. You will get notifications of all my videos. How much beautiful, unique and amazing all best videos and best cross stitch hand embroidery designs with pattern designs I tested on my channel. Create and unique new all best videos and best cross stitch hand embroidery designs, ideas, marvels and unique new best patterns in 2023. Upcoming unique new all collections and best videos. Modern and attractive unique new 2023 upcoming unique new all best videos and best cross stitch hand embroidery designs. Guys, for watching my videos, creating unique new all best videos and best hand embroidery designs with border designs I tested on my channel. All best cross stitch pattern designs and cross stitch hand embroidery designs ideas. Guys, for watch my videos and you will see the stylish, adorable, unique new all 2023 upcoming unique new best hand embroidery designs with border designs I tested on my channel. Till the next video guys, and for watch my videos, creating unique new all best videos and best 2023 upcoming unique new hand embroidery designs with border designs and hand embroidery flower designs I test daily on my channel. Best videos and best hand embroidery designs with border designs I tested on my channel. Creating unique new all hand embroidery designs daily on my channel. Creating unique new all 2023 upcoming unique new all best videos and hand embroidery designs with border designs I tested on my channel. Till the next video guys, and for watch my videos, how much beautiful, unique and outstanding all collections, best videos and best hand embroidery designs with border designs ideas, different collections and amazing 2023 upcoming unique new styles and hand embroidery designs ideas daily on my channel. Till the next video guys, and for watch my videos, creating unique new upcoming and stylish all best videos and best hand embroidery designs ideas and with border designs ideas to know my channels and outstanding and stylish all